welcome to Skyline Emissions. My name is Dan Marciando. I'm the Chief Manufacturing and Quality Officer here at Skyline Emissions. I've been with Skyline Emissions for the past 2 years after a 33-year career with a major OEM in the diesel manufacturing business, where I spent most of my career in quality and operations. I'm thrilled to be here at Skyline Emissions in Montgomeryville, Pennsylvania. The Skyline Emissions brand of diesel oxidation catalysts and diesel particulate filters was launched in mid-2016, and since that time, we've launched over 110 new products. Here at Skyline Emissions, our goal is to provide the highest quality DOCs and DPFs in the aftermarket that meet all of the requirements of form, fit, and function for our customers. At Skyline Emissions, we have a highly dedicated team of people that strive to design, manufacture, and distribute the highest quality and best performing DOCs and DPFs in the aftermarket. With our talented team of skilled fabricators and certified welders, I'm highly confident in the quality of the products that we're providing to the industry. If you'd like to learn more about the Skyline Emissions team or our products, please visit us at skylineemissions.com or visit your local distributor for more information.